Welcome to part 2 of transforming your sketch to 3D on Clo3D. Now it's time to do all the material thing in Clo3D only, so you don't need any extra effort to put in. And now it's just time to do my favorite thing, material. Follow along.
So I usually do it differently. I take it to a substance printer and apply it over there. But if just want to showcase you guys how you can do it in Clo3D without any third-party application, this is how. So first thing is very easy. If you go just search for Polyhaven website and search for fabric, it has few fabrics right now, but it also have two sort of fabrics over there. It also have denim fabric. If you wish to use it, you just download it and use the maps in the right place. The second thing that you can go with it is just search on Pinterest what sort of seamless fabric you're looking for. It's very easy. Just go hit this and download it. And on the Clo3D, it's as easy as press it and find it and apply it over here. But the thing is, it's very hard to find it seamless. As you can see, also it is very clear onto the window that it is repetitive pattern without any realistic effect there. So today I'm gonna go and use Clo3D materials, which is hidden in the library material. And if you substance, you can see there are few materials right here, but one of them is leather natural worn, which is very simple. You just drag it and drop it on a fabric that you want to, and this change it to automatically to substance, and you can control everything here. Now if you want to make it more realistic, I really recommend it to go to the library and use the washes over here. It's hidden in the hardware and trims and washing text. Let's go with the scraping. I want to grab this. Open your graphic part on the object browser. Just drag and drop it here. Okay. And now let's take this and bring it over here. You can also make it big, small, or rotate it. Then if you click on it, you need to set this to the print type should set to blend with base fabric. And this is where you can change the color. And also you can change the opacity. Now this is our render report. Let me just make it. This is where I bring down the opacity to 11, and this is the where it should be. And let me take this damage, bring it here. I need to rotate it a little bit up, and then click on it again, blend with base fabric, and we need to select the color. Now let's go and see it. This is the damage, you see. You can change the color to what you wish. I will get experience with the washes and see which one turns out more effectively. But before that, let's head over to the stitches, segment stitches, and grab a color usually, and orangish one. We can, if we don't like it, we can change it as soon as we want to, and set the thread to 400 usually. Now let's go and apply wherever we think it needs. I'm gonna go all over this. It seems the color isn't my favorite, so let's go and change it to something else. And then let's try out new different offsets. Let's first set this to leather, and the offset, let's try 316. Better. Okay, we need to copy this, and this one we want to make it little one. So let's set this to 200. Same one, and we want to go over this usually all the trims. It seems nice, but again the offset is not right. 180, this is good. Now there's another thing worth knowing, and that one is when you select your fabric that already has set to substance leather, which we've found on a library. In the preset, it gives you 3 different presets. Let's just try them out. This one is, oh, this is very red, and absolutely not. The default is good. I don't like the color of the jacket, so I will go and select this under custom properties. That's completely up to you what color you want to choose. I will choose black and hit apply and close. This is the black part. Let's go also this one. Then I would like to come down and set the born to born intensity. I want to set it to 0. Try to have no born at all. And then I want the scratches absolutely medium. Let's bring scratches a little bit down. Yes, 10 is good for scratches. This is the end of the tutorial. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and tell me in the comments below that if you find a better color for this package. Hope you like it, and see you in the next one.